So we have a DaVinci customer service app, which is more of a UI type app. We'll demonstrate that, and we'll also be talking about my ERP and legacy lookup apps. Those are interceptor apps. Once those apps are created, you need to put them into your profile. So I got a couple different profiles. We're going to demo sequencing for SF and for DaVinci customer service, that other app that I had showed you from a UI perspective. So you can see kind of hidden apps and visible apps. And these apps need to be built into and have this app for the agent CRM to allow for this app to show. From a sequencing perspective, in the agent configuration tool, we do want to go and we want to use the intersection or interaction event. So we want to have these specific apps kick in when this interaction event happens, and we want this actual app to work first and then this app to work second, so that they're not asynchronous. And we can use the data from this app into this app. An incoming call event, the event being a call, web chat, email, SMS, really doesn't matter. Anything that comes in with data, you can use that data. That data will then go to, say, the first app, in this case, my ERP. It's going to use that data to find some more data that can be used to actually do a lookup in our legacy areas and be able to get even more data from there to then be pushed off into our other apps. Here we already have the embedded framework in Salesforce Lightning, and we're just going to quickly go ahead and bring in a call. Screen pop normally happens like it always does, but that's not what we're looking for our interceptors. Our interceptors, though, could be used to actually pop this data, but we want to just quickly show the other area that gets created as an activity. So I pop out the activity. What happened was, again, the data went into my ERP. That data then went over and found some information from the legacy lookup. And then in that legacy lookup for here, I'm just throwing in the legacy ID. This is a custom variable within Salesforce where I push some data in. You could have that specific app show up in the actual DaVinci as well if you wanted to show a little bit more information to the agent from a legacy perspective without putting it in Salesforce, but just showing you the ability to take that data as it comes across and actually get it into the app with a little bit of configuration. Okay, so I'm going to bring in my profile. If you remember, I created two profiles. As I log in here with the support agent, I have those to choose from because I put them both on the specific user. So I'll go into here, and you can see the difference here now is a actual visible application within the right-hand side of this full application DaVinci customer service. And again, we have the embedded framework over here. So I'll just go ahead and bring in another call. You'll see it's the same call, same person's going to pop over here on the right-hand side. So this, again, built this within DaVinci, was able to then build out an ability to have a person pop up, and you can do whatever you want in here. You can see the legacy data as well came across. So I have my legacy ID again. And again, it could have been any data from my ERP and legacy, as well as your either this custom app or another custom app that you would use that you already have maybe internally from a CRM you may have built. All you need to do is add a few lines of code to that, and you could have this show up in here as well. And then all of a sudden you have channel integration into your own app or into, like I said, an app that you may want to create.